Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Earth Harmony. So today I'm gonna walk you through a very amazing part of Slovenian coast, Strunjan. Practically all of this is protected area. Down there you can see Piran, but here it's really an amazing nature. I just wanted to say that I hope you're gonna see some of the birdies, but they are already flying everywhere. So I'm gonna walk you through here. These are also are salt fields. It's really an amazing nature here. You have a lot of birdies and a lot of flora and fauna. So we're just gonna do a walk through here. We're gonna go to that bridge there, and afterwards, it's a very nice view, but afterwards I'm gonna walk you let me just orientate myself. I'm gonna walk you up there, where is an amazing view and a very famous and beautiful beach, Moon May Beach. So this we have in plan afterwards. And now let's go here. To that bridge. And I hope we're gonna meet some other birdies as well. Otherwise, this place is also very known for its therapeutic and spa centers. And like I said, the nature here is really fascinating. See, all of these are salt fields, and you can see a lot of seagulls there, and also white egret is very common here. It really is so beautiful. I just want to come to that bridge, because there you will see the view on both sides, on Piran and also on all these salt fields. So we are quite close. You see? Oh. This was why the grid. Sorry. I hope I said it right. It's not the seagull. Seagull is down there, and here the white grid. It is quite muddy because it was raining. So here we are to this bridge. So here everything is closed, but we can still see, as I promised, the view. All these salt fields. So we came from there. Look, seagulls everywhere. And let me just show you this side as well. Amazing, and as I said, down there you have Piran, as you see. If you want, I will just check, because probably I will continue all the way there. So yeah, let's go also this one, this part, because actually, if I'm honest, I wanted to go to that bridge there, so I can show you the view on the salt fields. Practically we will go all around. Today the sea is very high, and I'm already hearing the waves clashing there, because there is open. Because I just came from Piran, and it was really very high sea. But I just want to show you also this. And then we'll go, as I said, to that amazing view and Moonmay Beach. practically here, as I see one of the people also before, so it's okay. You see, it's very high, so we will also hurry a bit, but let me just show you the view now. So there is Piran again. You see the sea is very, very high. So we're gonna walk through here very fast. But actually, I'm not sure if it's open. It says some construction working, but let's continue because I saw there are some people, so okay. So let's go here fast. As I said, the sea is very high today. You can see also here. And look at all amazing salt fields. So here now I will just be quiet. And then you have there the beach of Strunjan. And we're gonna continue, as I promised, to the Moon Bay beach now. Just another view.